Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you my plant collection. Konti lang siya. So first, it's this one right here. So Monstera albo. And ngayon may new growth siya right now. Ayun. See. And then this one right here is Synogium albo. So that Synogium albo. And then another one here. It's a rare one. Strawberry shake. So naka-moss ball siya right now. And madaming aerial roots. There you go. It's growing under Grow Light from Amazon lang yan. And then next one, we have Thai Constellation. There you go. This one has a new leaf. Ito, this one right here. This is a new one. May fenestration siya here, oh. And then I think it's growing one more leaf right there. So next one we have Monstera adansonii. Ito ata yun. Yan. May mga fruit flies eh. Yan. And then I have a regular Monstera here. Growing under Grow Light as well. Yan. And then there you go. And then may new leaf siya here. New baby. There. Yan. Kailangan ko pa siyang clean. So now we have a snake plant. Mostly like 5 years na siya sa akin. Yan. Snake plant. There you go. And then guys, I have this pinaparoots ko na ZZ plant. Variegated siya. Or albo, I'm not sure. Pero madami na rin siyang roots, oh. So maybe few more weeks and I'll put it in the soil na. Okay, next one we have a Hoya Wilbur Graves. I think it's a Russian type to. And madami na rin siyang new leaves. Itong this one right here. And then yung sa top one there. So it's, I think it's rare. I'm not too sure. There you go. And lastly, I have this. I'm not too sure kung anong name niya, but it's this one. I'm not sure. I just bought it sa marketplace here in Winnipeg. There you go. Ganda ng variegation niya, oh. Ganda. And then I think that one is part of the yung leaf. Para siyang broken, but it's not.